Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete WordPress website and start over. If you're ready to reset your WordPress site and begin fresh, this walkthrough will show you where to find the correct settings and how to complete the deletion process. Before you continue, keep in mind that deleting a site is permanent in many cases, so it's a good idea to make sure you no longer need any of the content, pages, media, or settings currently on the site. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website. Once you're there, look to the left-hand navigation menu. This sidebar contains the main controls for your site, including design, content, plugins, and general settings. Next, click on Settings in the left navigation. This will open the General Settings area for your website. On this page, you may see standard WordPress options like the site title, time zone, and other configuration details. What you're looking for is further down the page, so scroll down carefully until you find the section labeled WordPress.com Site Settings. In that section, select the option to manage subscriptions, ownership, and other site tools on WordPress.com. This link takes you out of the standard dashboard settings and into the broader site management area on WordPress.com, where more advanced account and site controls are available. Once the WordPress.com settings page opens, scroll down again. Take your time here, since site management pages often contain several sections. Keep going until you find the option labeled Delete Site. This is the tool used to permanently remove the current website so you can start over with a clean slate. When you click Delete Site, WordPress will ask you to confirm the action. This confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental deletion. Review the prompt carefully, and if you're certain you want to continue, confirm the deletion. After confirmation, the site removal process will begin. Depending on your setup, you may see final prompts or warnings, so read each screen closely before proceeding. Once completed, your old site will be removed, allowing you to move forward and create a new one from scratch if that's your goal. That's the full process for deleting a WordPress website and starting over. Follow each screen carefully, especially during the final confirmation, to make sure everything is completed exactly as intended.